I'm back again and I have a little surprise. I'm excited. So I got some weave. And I always buy my weave on Aliexpress all the time. I got all the time. About this new vendor from Malibu Doll Face, a popular YouTuber that just reviews on bunch of hair. This company is called Aliexpress hair. And I got the 360 frontal. I got a 16-inch, and then I got 3 bundles which are all 18-inch. Brazilian straight. So the shipping was like 2 days. So it came in cute packaging. Like it came like this. Guys, it looks like Christmas. Like legit. It came in this cute little bag. It says Aliexpress hair. And then the side says Aliexpress hair. The barcodes for the Instagram and the YouTube page. And then over here, it shows, I don't know if it's not focusing, but it says the WhatsApp number and the email and the Aliexpress store website thingy. It actually came with little cute thingies. It came with eyelashes. Really thin. So I'm not gonna wear these. Sorry about it. But I like thick eyelashes. So these little with like this cute little hair elastic. I'll wear it, I guess, but like looks cute. So I have 3 18 inches, like I just said. This is the first bundle, and it has the information down here again with the barcode and the website link and the number. It says customized and fast shipping. So, and up here it says 18-inch straight. So let's take it out, guys. I didn't take this. Oh, it feels so soft. It just got me off track. I was gonna say I did not even open this yet. I opened the 360, but I didn't open the bundles. Okay. So, see how it's like bone cut, like bone straight cut down here? Instead of like layers. But I kind of like it, it's cute. So this is a 18 and it is so soft and silky. This is the refs. It's pretty thick, to be honest. And then it comes with a little tag and it says, oh, the same stuff. It's just the email, the WhatsApp, the YouTube, the Instagram, and the store link. It says 100% unprocessed virgin human hair. Okay, so it's soft. It's silky. Let's smell it. Okay. You know that smell when you go to the beauty supply store? It smells like that. With a hint of chemical, but yeah, but other than when you keep smelling it, it gets stronger. Yeah, but it's good. I like it still. So it shouldn't tangle and it shouldn't shed. So let me do a little shedding test. So I'll pull it down for you guys. No hair. No hair whatsoever. So, let me put this back. It's the other 18-inch. This is soft as well. Really silky. And this is really like bone straight cut. Thick from top to bottom for sure. No split ends. I guess because they cut it, so that's why there's no split ends. This is the refs. It's pretty good, and yeah, it has the beauty supply chemical smell. Here's the other bundle. Ooh, I feel like this one is a bit thicker. Don't tell me the bottom does not look thicker, or it's just me. Doesn't it? Same smell, same everything. Yo, I can't, like, bam, bam, bam. Yo, I can't wait to install. So yeah, everything's the same. Perfect, soft, silky, bouncy, lovely. Here comes the finale. 360 frontal. Okay, there you go. I wanted to get all same length, like 18-inch frontal as well, but then the price kind of went up a bit, and I'm a cheap ass. So, ooh, comes with like baby hairs. Ooh, this is the back. This is the inside. And it also comes with a strap at the back, hairline. It's pre-plucked. The knots are not bleached. As you can tell, like, it's a shitload of black dots everywhere, so I don't want that. So I'm gonna obviously bleach the knots. This is how long it is. Honest, the bundles are a bit more silkier and a bit more softer than the frontal, to be honest, but it's actually really soft still. And this has the beauty store smell, but does not have the chemical smell. I'm gonna put on the frontal just so you guys see how it looks on my head. So let me just do it. Okay. So, this is how it looks. Oh shit! I can't wait to install it. You know how good it looks? Yo. Okay. So, let me see. So that's the hairline, guys. So that's the hairline in the middle. The hairline on this side maybe might need to be plucked a little bit. So anyways, look at me now. I'm a new bitch, okay? I'm gonna be a new bitch, okay? Okay guys, so that's the end. That's all I have to show. So let me recap. I got 3 18 bundles, 1 360 16-inch frontal. Got it from Aliexpress Hair, Brazilian straight. And it all totaled up to $270 Canadian. I can't wait to install this, okay? Because I'm gonna be popping. So anyways, hope you liked this video. Click the like button, comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna buy it, and like let me know what you think of it, and so on, so on, so on. I'm gonna put all the links down below. Click the subscribe button and share this video and hit the notification button so you can see videos of me all the time. And I will see you in the next one. And pretty much, okay, the next video, my hair is gonna be banging because I'm gonna get this installed. Can't wait. Okay, bye guys.